friends, welcome to Code Generator. Myself Apurva. I hope you are all doing fine and well. So, in this video, I'm going to teach you about top 8 machine learning project for beginners. Before moving on to the projects, let me give the introduction about machine learning so that you can understand the projects. So, the term machine learning was coined in the year 1959 by Arthur Samuel, an American IBMer and pioneer in the field of computer gaming and artificial intelligence. Tom M. Michael provided a widely quoted, more formal definition of the algorithm studied in the machine learning field. That is, a computer program is said to be learned from the experience E with respect to some class of task, that is T, and performance measure P if its performance at the task in T as measured by P improves the experience. So now let's see why should we need machine learning. Machine learning is a study of computer algorithms to improve the automatically through the experience. It is seen as a subset of artificial intelligence. We may also call it a subset of artificial intelligence. Machine learning algorithms build a model based on the sample data known as training data. It will be having data sets. When you imagine the topic or a name machine learning, you must remember the two terms, that is, it is a subset of artificial intelligence and it has data sets. So let's move on to the projects. So let's see one by one. So top 8 project is Iris Flowers Classification ML project. So this is the top 8 project. Let's see what's this. The iris flowers have different species and you have distinguished them by based on the length of petals and sepals. So any flowers has its own kind of petals, color, sepals and fragrance, everything. This is the basic project for the machine learner beginners to predict the species of the new iris flower. In this project, we make use of iris flowers classification dataset. So I have already told you, machine learning is complete full of datasets. So in this project, we are making use of iris flowers classification dataset. The iris dataset contains 3 classes so that they can be classified into, and it can also identify the type of plant and species. The central goal here is to design the model that makes the useful classifications for the flowers, or in other words we can also say which exits new generation. So next move on to the top 7th project, that is sales forecasting using Walmart dataset. So we use here Walmart dataset. As you already know, machine learning is full of datasets. The objective of this project is to build an application that could predict the sales using the Walmart dataset. This application will help in providing us with the data on future sales, and hence we can improve the sales of the company. Walmart is one of the biggest retail services in the world. This is the important point, that Walmart is the biggest retail and data set used across the world. This will help us to track the sales ups and downs during the holidays. If there is any ups and downs, we can go through it. The linear regression model technique can prove helpful as it predicts the sales, and we use the technique called as linear regression for this project. So let's move on to the next project, that is music recommendation system project. I hope you are all aware of using JioSaavn, Gaana, Spotify and many more apps for listening the music, and even YouTube is also one of the good source for listening music. So how does it work in ML, that is machine learning? Let's see. The idea behind this machine learning project is to develop and automatically classify different music genres from the audio. You need to classify these audio files using the low-level features of the frequency and time domain. We use music generation classification dataset. So we make use of music genre classification dataset. It is very useful to develop music recommendation system that can search the music libraries automatically and suggest the suitable songs to the users. It may be feeling song or any disco songs. All the songs, there are variety of songs and it is categorized into its own category. So next, move on to the next project, that is top 5th project is predicting wine quality using wine quality dataset. So in this project you can build an interface to predict the quality of the red wine. It will use the chemical information of the wine and based on the machine learning model it will give you the result of the wine quality, whether it is good for health or not. We make use of wine quality data set here. So nowadays industries are using product quality certificates. So if you want to do any products or purchase any products or sell any products, it's very essential to have the license or certificate that our industry is manufacturing this. This is the time we take it requires. If you do in manually, it takes a time. But in the machine learning, we have used some linear techniques, that is linear regression, neural network and support vector techniques in the machine learning to develop this project. So let's move on to the top 4 project without wasting any time. So top 4th project is fake news detection. So nowadays some news are real and some news are fake. So how to identify which is real or which is fake? We can develop the project using machine learning. So fake news spreads like a wildfire and this is a big issue in this era, as you all know. You can learn how to distinguish fake news from the real one. You can use supervised learning technique to implement the model like this. For knowing the fake news, you can use supervised learning technique. We make use of detecting fake news dataset for this project. So there is also a dataset that is detecting fake news dataset. So next, move on to the next project, that is top 3rd project, that is predict stock prices. So in this project, the stock market is an interesting medium to earn and invest money. So in this era, everyone is behind money. So if you want to invest or earn money, it's the best. Stock market is the best platform. It is also lucrative option that increases your greedy and leads to the drastic decisions. There are many data sets available for the stock market. So for every project there are 1 or 2, but for stock market there are many data sets. You can use any one. This project aims to predict the future price of the stock market based on the previous year's data. We make use of stock price production data set for this project. So as there are many data sets, here we make use of prediction data set, that is stock price prediction data sets for the project. So let's move on to the top 2nd project, that is mine social media sentiment. So let's see. Social media is a growing source of data and information spread. However, the information is convoluted with the varying interests, opinions and emotions. The sentimental analysis process is the technique used and which delivers the smarter and more human-like artificial intelligence which will analyze and respond in the unique way based on the emotions users show, which may be written, chat, tweet or blog conversations. Here, the data set is formed in the classes. They are positive, negative, or neural sentiments or comments we get as an output. So, next and last, and the top one project in the machine learning is for beginners is teach a neural network to read the handwriting. So, everyone has their own unique handwriting. So, let's see how machine learning helps with it. In this machine learning project, you will detect and recognize handwriting characters, that is English alphabets 0 to 1 now, numericals, Romans and everything. And this we are going to achieve by modeling a neural network that will have an trained over the data set containing images of the alphabets. So everyone has its own unique handwriting, so we make use of neural network technology, and it's one of the technique in machine learning. Handwriting recognition can be done by both, that is through online or offline method. Here we make use of character recognition algorithm, image processing techniques with the neural networks that are the topics in machine learning. So I hope this video was informative and useful for all of us. So if you like it, please like, share and comment. If you have any questions or queries, please contact us through email, FB, Instagram, or also you can comment in the comment section. I hope you all like this. Thank you.